Exercises 5.1 through 5.3. So for 5.1, you're only requested to run the scenario. Take a print screen of that, but be sure to describe in a few sentences what you see. In 5.2, you should write a short 1 or 2 sentence description about what they represent. So you want to describe each of the classes, the bacteria, the lining, the white cell, and the bloodstream. You can do this simply by running this scenario, or if you like, open up the code. In 5.3, they're asking you to open up the source code. Look at the code and try to work out what you think is happening here. Now for the first one right here, you're looking at the ACT method and you're in an actor class. You might wish to describe what you see here. Now this is the bacteria, and in the bacteria, when you run the ACT method, you're seeing this nice floating look as a bacteria is floating through the bloodstream. So as it floats through the bloodstream, it turns in a gentle cycle, and then it reappears on the right side of the screen randomly, and it disappears here on the left side of the screen. So let's take another look at the code. So we originally set the location. We get the x-axis, we get the y-axis, and then as soon as the x-axis location is gotten, then we -2. That gives it drops down just a couple. And then it gently floats because it's only turning 1 degree. Now, as you can see, it's leaving the world, and that's because of this block of code. If get x is the same as 0, meaning the x-axis is 0, bingo, then we remove object. And removing the object, we use the keyword this. I'm not going to get into get world right now, but that's pretty much what this is. So give us a few sentences on each of these actor classes. The lining doesn't really have anything. All you're seeing at this point is the lining of the white blood cell. Or, excuse me, the lining of the veins. And then the white cell, that has some nice code in it so that you can use the up and down key. Okay. All right, so that's it for 5.1 through 5.3.